What up, y'all? Every penny counts. Look, another cash out. I'm getting to the money, y'all. Y'all got to do it too. This is Prize Rebel. It's gonna be a $5 cash out real quick. You see there, I got $5.23 in my account. Just a brief overview of my routine in this site. Going on your surveys, clicking on that. All right, this is how I'm getting money every day with this site. This is why I'm cashing out so often with this site. All right, I go here. You see your daily survey. You kind of unblur that. 77 cents for each one you complete. All right, now you see here, this month I've completed 73. I got 73 points for it. I did one. It's the 4th. You know what I'm saying? So I really haven't been doing a lot of these so far because it's been, I've been out of town. The weekend just passed, all that kind of good stuff. But what I'm doing is going through and I try all of these first. You know what I'm saying? Because you see here, look, 8 minutes, 63 cents. 8 minutes, 52 cents. They don't take that long to do. They're very quick, very easy. You know what I'm saying? I go through on that. Then I click over here on SAMP. And you see here on SAMP, look, you'll get 90 cents for each one you complete. All right, and $1.10 for the ones that are longer. Okay, so very simple to do. Then I go over here to Peanut Labs. Click on Peanut Labs at the top up here. Same thing. I just go through and do all of these on Peanut Labs. Okay, now these refresh like all the time, so I go through and I try to do as many of these as I can. You will get a point for each one you disqualify for. Okay, so just keep that in mind, that with every one that you do, you're going to at least get something, and those pennies, they add up. All right, so that's one thing I want to keep want you guys to keep in mind. I'm doing your surveys, SAMP, and Peanut Lab. Those are the top 3, but these other ones work good as well. Go, I do that from time to time. A Tuluna and Market Cube are also good. All right, so another thing I'm doing on this site, go over here in the offer walls, and I love to do ad gate and offer Turo. The reason I like ad gate so much is because a lot of those offers in there are just really just signing up and confirming your email, and you'll get like 20 to 50 cents just for doing that. So they really add up just doing things like that. Radio One has good ones. They have just some videos in there that you can just let run. You can get like a point or two for that. So I mean that's really my routine on here. Just simple to do. Let me cash out real quick. I'm gonna go to rewards. Let me get on that. Rewards. I'm going to do a PayPal cash out right here. I'm just going to cash out $5. Claim this item. Are you sure you want to claim this item? Yes. Okay. I click OK. And then you'll see my balance will go down to 23 points. All right. So that's how that works. Just that simple. I'm a gold member. You see here, if I can let you see that, was actually, let me go back out so you can actually see gold member right there. I'm a gold member, so I get my payments instantly, and that's basically what it is. I just signed on, like it's really early in the morning, so I really haven't done anything on this site right now. You see here, it is actually 5:37, so I'm about to get started on this site for the day. But my routine that I just showed you, that's what I'm doing. And that's how you can do the same thing. All right, so I just want to do a quick video showing you my Prize Rebel $5 cash out. Sign up with this site. The link is in the description. Sign up today, get a bonus. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me, because I have a lot of other tips and tricks that I can teach you that I really don't put in these videos, just because I feel like if I flood out my, really good content sometimes, that, it'll get oversaturated on these sites, and a lot of people will do it, and then some of the tips and routines won't work anymore. But I really want to tell the people, or teach the people that are really trying to make this money online the way I am, because there are a lot of people that are, lazy and really don't want to put in the work. So I want to teach those who are willing to put in the work. So definitely sign up my link in the description, create an account, and, like I said, any question you have, contact me. But, the routine that you would do is your surveys, sample-issues, and Peanut Labs. You go through, like I said, in the offer walls, you do ad gate and offer Turo and Radio One, those kind of things. But, from time to time, I would say probably like, once or twice a day, try some of these other offer walls and these other surveys, just to see which worked best for you. Like I would say, go through on each one of these and try a survey. Doing that will really make your money add up very quickly. All right, so that's what I wanted to show you. Sign up today. Link is in the description. And remember, every penny counts.